Welcome to my channel. I am Moody Chef Sargun and today I'll make bhindi, which is called ladyfinger or okra in English. For more quick and delicious recipes, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. First we will prepare the masala. Put salt, red chilli powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, rock salt, garam masala, turmeric powder, Maggi magic masala and mix it. Now wash and dry the ladyfinger one by one, ensuring that they are absolutely dry. Chop the top and the bottom and make a slit right in the middle like this. Repeat the process. Now put the masala in the slit of each okra using a knife like this. Repeat the process till all the okra is stuffed. Put the oil in a pan and heat it. I am using mustard oil, you can use whichever oil you want. Add the prepared okra and put in the leftover masala. Mix it, cover it and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Keep mixing it after every 2 to 3 minutes so it is evenly cooked. Once the color has changed and it is softened, it is cooked. Voila! Bhindi is ready. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel and share with all your friends and family. For more such delicious recipes, keep watching Moody Chef Sargun.